Okay, Riley. Daddy needs you to explain your... Now, what kind of experiment is it again?
Solar. Can you take the helmet off?
Huh? Well, we can see him, Mama.
Okay.
Solar.
Okay. This is
Called solar.
It's your...
And the reason I call it solar is because the flowers get energy from they grow by the sun, and I'll go turn on the water and show you how it works.
Well, we don't want the water on. Can you explain what is going to happen?
Well, I think maybe it might be a good test, Mama, just to show.
Well, okay.
And now, wait a minute. You have to explain. Hold on. How you come here? You're skipping a step. So explain to me how turning the water on helps this. How do we get the water from the house? Uh-oh.
Just let him.
I can fix it.
Okay. What happened to your knees, buddy?
The water comes through here because once when I did it like this, it came through here too.
But how do you get it from the house to here?
Because there's a filter in the bathroom, and the bathroom is just straight down from the water, from the filter, and it can lead through there to here.
So what is that black long thing called?
Water. It gets it.
No, what's it called?
Judge.
What is it called, Riley?
Judge, get over here.
It gets the water faster to the...
Come here. Sit.
It gets the water slower to the...
Stay.
Riley, pay attention here.
It gets the water slower to the plants so I could test it and see quicker.
Okay, go turn it on.
Oops.
Wow.
So what about the other direction?
Oops. Okay, I'll try to feel it better.
Judge. Stay. Sit. Judge. Sit.
Maybe I made it the wrong way.
Stay.
No, try not to get wet.
Maybe I just needed it to be the other way. Oops.
So did you have any help building this?
Nope.
You did this all by yourself?
Yep.
Yeah?
There.
So what is this going to be called?
Solar system.
What's it going to help us do?
Help the plants grow.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. There it goes.
They're going off that side.
You know what might help is...
Rather,
Hold on.
just a second.
No. There you go. Get them
Ah.
equal. There we go. If you get them equal, the same height, then the water can flow both ways.
So
But we do need to do
this
something
way.
with all this leaky water right here.
I'll turn it off.
Well, there's it doesn't fit exactly right.
So, do you think we could call this an irrigation system,
How
Riley?
about,
What can we call it? Irrigation, since it's dealing with water?
yeah.
Because solar. What does solar mean? What does solar mean, Riley?
It means, it gets its energy from the sun.
So does pumping the water get its energy from the sun?
No.
No.
But it helps the plants grow.
It does. Helps them grow. Wonderful. Good job, Tina. Good job.
So if you put the hose in there a little bit further, do you think that would help it?
Yeah, Mom. There's a little hole through here, and I put that there, so it will get
I
the
see.
water right to
Yeah,
that
the
light
water's
thing.
leaking down in there. You can't really see it, I don't think, on the video, but very good.
I'll test it again.
Okay. We'll watch over here. Well, it's still coming out both tubes over here. On that side and on this side. Is it you're getting wet, Riley? Yeah, it's just, there'll be a little bit of a leak on this side just because it's not a tight fit like up there. Okay, turn the water off.
Let me show you something that might help.
What would that do? Now don't crush the plant under that orange bucket. I think it's too tall if you put it up that way. Go ahead, turn the water off. I do like it.
Nobody helped me do this.
You did it by yourself. Now look at all that water. Your shoes are going to be all wet. Oh my goodness. So we have an abundance of water over here. And that might be too much for the plants. So what could we do to help them? Well, I think this one will already get just, drained with the hole in the bottom. So how are we going to help this one? Because this one's flooded. Holy cow. It's really flooded. And that plant can't survive in that kind of flood. That's some good muscles there, Pumpkin. Yeah, good job.
I need it to be like
Okay, well, you know what? Let's go ahead and turn this off.
Hold on.
What are you doing different?
Well, I made a little hole there.
Yeah?
So it won't get overflowed so easily.
So you think that if you push that down into the dirt, what would happen?
It won't get over flooded so easily.
Yeah? Okay. Are we going to test it?
I'll do it this way.
Careful of those plants.
I am.
Okay, careful. They could break off. Okay.
Now, wow, now we can do this.
Oh, interesting. Okay, go turn it on. Let's see what happens. Is it coming out both? Ta-da! Do you think that's a better system?
Yep.
So did your theory of putting that pipe down and into the water work? Did it work?
Yes.
No, because it's still getting overflowed. It's getting still flooded. Okay. Go turn the water off. We've got too much water going here.
We'll get a little.
Alright, I think that's good. Okay, water off. Did you get it?
Mom,
Yep.
I think my hypothesis was wrong all along because you should do this. And then this. We'll give this, which gives me water. This gives it less water.
Very nice.
Can I watch the video?
Okay, say bye.
Bye! Oh yeah!